Hello, everybody. I'm Kamini,
And I'm Vinayak.
and we are Podneeti, and this is our podcast.
Yes.
Welcome to our podcast. Today's episode, we're not sure whether it's a giddy talk or not yet,
No.
but today's episode, wherever it
Something.
fits, is a little different. It's just us without a guest speaking to you from not a car. And it's happening because we had a conversation yesterday, and I realized कि
ये भी डाल सकते हैं.
ये कंटेंट है
ये content.
अब हमारी सारी
Everything
बातें
is
कंटेंट
content.
yeah if we have a good conversation that becomes
It's a
content
content. Like
क्या बात है सर क्या बात है सर क्या बात है ये बात है
with
apart
our.
from that I feel like a lot of people like me are very confused
Oh, I
with
thought you said a lot of people like you.
that also Vinayak तुम क्या जानो
चल झूठा
no but a lot of people like me I'm sure are also very confused with what is happening in their love lives and anybody that I speak to in my friend circle, in my work circle, we're all just figuring out what is happening every day because there's a new term, there's a new fashion, there's a new thing that
There's a
everybody's
new
doing.
generation.
And I don't understand dating very honestly. I've never have. स्कूल के टाइम से मुझे क्रश समझ में आता था वो कैसे सीधा रिलेशनशिप हो जाता था और वो कैसे मेरे को ये सब कुछ नहीं समझ
ऐसे.
में आता प्लेयर तो आज बाबा श्री विनायक हमें ज्ञान देंगे और वो
ज्ञान
हम
नहीं देंगे. बाबा श्री विनायक reactions करेंगे on all of the terms that.
go around.
Yes.
But before we do that, I need a little bit of clarity on a few things that are very obvious, I feel, but wasn't for me. Because kal and just to give you context, मैं और विनायक बात कर रहे थे and I told Vinayak that I'm dating 3 people at the same time. And he's like, what?
You can't.
You can't date 3 people. I was like, why not? I don't see a problem in it. They don't see a problem in it. And you're like, you're not dating 3 people. He said, he then explained to me
एक
how
minute. Subtext. She's talking. इतने में तुम लोग judgment मत बनाना. She's talking to 3 people at the same. Now.
Oh my god!
Now speak.
I don't think I'm talking also, I'm seeing them, right? That's the okay. So I need to understand what is the difference between
What is this? What?
what is the difference between what? Thanks. Let's start with that. तो शुरू से शुरू करो.
Mm-hmm.
Talking, I know what talking is. हम भी बात कर रहे हैं, but how is that different than talking
This is
stage?
me telling you.
Yes.
Okay, great.
How is so because we're also talking, right?
You're talking.
How is that different than a talking stage you have with a possible romantic partner?
That is in your mind.
अरे
हाँ कि मुझे इसके साथ कुछ बातें आगे बढ़ानी है. Something like that.
okay.
That is in your mind. That तब आप बात कर रहे हो तब आप talking stage पे हो.
Yeah, because it makes in my head I'm like talking stage मतलब क्या अगर मैं इससे बात आगे भी बढ़ा रही हूँ तो बाद में तो टॉक करना है ना तो टॉकिंग
नहीं
स्टेज तो
तो-
थ्रू आउट रिलेशनशिप होगा
Talking
ना
stage तो throughout the relationship होता है लेकिन जब staging आप कर रहे हो तो like you start first पहले तो आप physically देखते हो सामने से and then you're attracted.
okay
Which is very
but
obvious.
no for example on the apps आप पहले टॉकिंग स्टेज करते हो और फिर फिजिकली सामने से देखते हो
तो वो तो by apps है ना. We're talking person specific.
okay
Let's talk person specific.
हाँ
कि अगर आप सामने से किसी से अप्रोच कर रहे हो like let's suppose
you
it's a
met
colleague, it's a friend, it's
fair
anyone.
enough okay
तो अब आपने उसको देखा उसने आपको देखा and then you're attracted. Attraction तो base है ना.
yeah
That is physical. चेहरा देख के अट्रैक्ट हुए, बॉडी देख के अट्रैक्ट हुए, सब कुछ देख के अट्रैक्ट हुए. You're attracted and then you approach
okay
anyone, girl or boy, usually boy, but
okay but talking stage फिर जैसे okay फिर then that's a different thing कि how friends become partners that's a different conversation but okay we talking about
एक soft corner तो होता ही है सबको.
wait what is soft corner now
Soft corner is very romance unspecific.
huh?
Yes.
So you can have a soft corner for anybody
anyone.
doesn't have to be romantic
Doesn't have to be romantic.
but if it is romantic you will have a soft corner
हाँ, पहले सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर
Got
तो
it.
होगा ना,
Okay.
तभी तो वो आगे बढ़ेगा।
Okay. Okay.
It's like
Okay.
it's soft and then it breaks.
No jokes.
No jokes.
Okay, so basically you have an attraction, you start talking to them, and then
This
so
is
when you're talking to them,
this is what a layman is telling you,
ha
right?
fair
like-
enough. This is, yes, please disclaimer.
Hmm.
None of the views expressed on this show are our own
Are technical.
or done through research. We're just talking about opinions.
करेंगे research वाला भी करेंगे.
हाँ,
है
and
वो
we can
हमारे
have
उसमें.
wrong and right opinions according to you, but these are our opinions. So if you have a problem, please switch your channel. If you don't have a problem, please continue
It's like
watching.
करीना कपूर तो मत आओ ना मूवी देखने. मैंने थोड़ी बुलाया है.
Influencer. No. We're trying to be. But
Yeah.
okay. So during the talking stage,
Mhm.
are you seeing them? Are you dating them?
No,
What is
it's-
happening?
I think while the talking stage is on, you are seeing them and you're
Okay.
meeting them.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes. Huh.
That is called seeing, I think so.
Okay. Seeing them.
Seeing हो गया कि आप
And so you can see multiple people at the same time
हाँ.
without informing anybody else.
हाँ, अब तो आजकल तो ethics तो अंदर जा चुका है,
Valid.
तो it's okay, it's open.
Okay.
It's okay, it's open कि मतलब हाँ
it's
कि
understood.
हाँ कि मतलब
कि-
अगर ऐसे बात करते तो सिर्फ मेरे से थोड़ी बात कर रहा होगा, सिर्फ मेरे से थोड़ी बात कर रही
हाँ.
होगी.
Okay.
There must be
That,
multiple
हाँ,
people
हाँ,
उसमें
हाँ.
से जो ऐसे survival of the
Acha,
fittest.
okay. It's a marathon then.
Marathon.
Oh, okay,
Might
got
be.
it. Okay. So then, talking stage, you're meeting them, etc., and you can be meeting multiple people at the same time with the same intention of getting into a romantic relationship. किसी के साथ थोड़ा ज्यादा अच्छा,
देखो.
किसी के साथ थोड़ा कम.
एक ज्ञान
Hmm.
just came to mind.
Hmm.
I don't think so. आज के जमाने में कुछ सही और गलत है लोगों के दिमाग में. It's like whatever they're doing, and that's right for them. Great.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात, ये बात है.
Okay. And on that note, when does it become galat then to see multiple
वो
people?
गलत कि आप एक को कमिट कर दिए हो, like एक के साथ आप सीधे.
What is
If you are
commitment now?
हिंदी में बोला जाए तो कमिटमेंट इज कि एक को आपने बोल दिया है कि ठीक है भाई बहन मैं तुम्हारा बंदा या तुम्हारी बंदी हूँ.
भाई बहन तो
It's okay,
नहीं बोल.
like I was going to say bro, I'm your
Yeah, fair
um,
enough.
कि
मैं तेरा
I'm your
हम्म.
girl, like I'm
Yeah, you put a label on
हाँ
it.
label on it.
Okay.
और वो सिंगुलर हो गया बट गलत तब होता है जब आप ये बोल के
Are proposals thing abhi bhi? Because I remember
like
school,
proposals
college.
as in will you be my girlfriend.
हाँ. It's like a proper thing abhi bhi?
The romantic लोग तो exist कर रहे हैं ना.
God, disgusting, but okay.
Hmm.
So, okay, so
People
basically
are
you
doing
put
it. I just saw a reel like though influencers like playing football and then उसने गिरने का नाटक किया. and then the person
हाँ,
saying,
will you
"Will you be my
marry
girlfriend?"
me? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God, insane. But okay, so when you're committed, when you have a commitment of label, when
That
you
is
put a
commitment.
label on
That
it,
is- I'm
it's a
committed.
commitment.
I'm committed to
Okay.
this person.
And label could be anything. It could be commitment of relationship, boyfriend, girlfriend.
And it
It
goes
could be a label of marriage. It could be whatever.
label. And if it goes wrong, if you have put on a label,
Huh?
label for a singular person, and then you are putting it with other people also, other person also,
Okay.
or seeing some other person at the same time.
Okay, so once you put a label,
Hmm.
you dating.
You're dating.
You dating when you've put a label.
I think that's how a layman would say. If you've put a label, you are dating, you are committed.
Okay.
So technically,
और फिर dating में आके
but-
then you can't have talking
but-
stages with other people.
but
Hmm.
एक अभी आजकल नया चल रहा है, I think so,
Hmm.
कि people are dating 2-3, मतलब depends on them.
Hmm.
People are dating other individuals at the same time, and then they are getting committed.
तो वही तो कंफ्यूजन है मेरी, ये कैसे हो रहा है?
तो
ये तो गलत है ना?
तो ये गलत ही है. ये गलत ही है. We are in a palace of illusion.
Okay. And so
One done,
Wait, so-
a lot of reference to go.
when there's a lot of so when you're dating multiple people, are all of them aware that you're dating multiple people?
भाई तुम्हारे गेम पे डिपेंड करता है तुम किसको
अच्छा, और तुम्हारे मतलब morals and ethics पे. Got it. So
Moral-
then it's subjective.
Another one. मॉरल्स और एथिक्स अब नहीं रहे, इट्स गॉन.
No, I'm sure there's some people, like you said,
Mixed.
some people are still doing proposals and are romantic. I'm sure some
But
people exist
mass,
with.
if it is mass specific, like mass, maximum number of person, तो I don't think so moral अब बचा है. ना moral बचा है ना ethics बचा है.
Which is why I don't date at all, but fair. Um, okay, so then besides the point, अब ये नया वाला जो भी है अभी नहीं, पहले
नया
मैं
वाला
पुराना
करेंगे.
concept समझ लूँ. So when you're dating, you're committed, you have a label put on one relationship. If you then have talking stages or you're seeing someone outside of this, then that is technically wrong if the other person is not aware. If they are aware and
Then
they're
it's
also
an open
doing,
relationship.
acha. So then that is
So
what
it's
open is.
an open relationship.
So that's open relationship where
Where-
okay, so when the parties in a committed label defined relationship uh,
Mm-hmm.
that are dating,
Mm-hmm.
and that's a relationship, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when both the parties are aware that this other person this person I have might also be doing the same thing or a different thing with
Might plus
will.
no also.
हाँ,
हाँ, मतलब if you have a sense and that has been addressed already.
हाँ,
तुमने बात कर लिया है
हाँ.
कि भाई I can see other people, you can see other people.
हाँ, great.
If you want to, if you don't want to, depends on you. It's an open
हाँ.
relationship.
Which is also E&M.
हैं? What the hell?
E&M,
I don't know. कोई नया term आ गया क्या?
ethically non-monogamous.
Okay. So there is mono and poly also.
Yeah.
Great.
Monogamy is so I
Monogamy
think,
is
but
the single.
monogamous is involved with marriages. So that's when open marriages are defined as E&M, where you're ethically
Non-monogamous.
not aligned to just one person.
भाई साहब.
But शादी तो एक से ही हो रही है.
Oh, great.
So that's E&M. See, I can give you Gyan as well.
Gyan as well.
But fair enough. Okay. So from what I understand, this is like a step-by-step.
This is like a palace of illusion, where you are into a palace where everything is illusionated.
And everything is chaotic all the time.
Everything is chaotic,
But
everything
no.
is right,
So
everything is wrong, everything is ethical, everything is unethical.
Do not confuse me further. I have a tough time dating anyway.
Why do you have to date? शादी कर लो भाई.
अरे
उम्र
शादी
निकल
के लिए
रही
भी तो
है.
लड़का भाई बात करनी पड़ती है. अरेंज मैरिज भी पहले वाला टाइम थोड़ा है कि फोटो दिखाई शादी हो गई.
वही मेरे को लग रहा है people are going to that only.
कहाँ हो पा रहा है? वो भी नहीं हो पा रहा.
वापस आ गए ना सब साइकिल्स पे. थोड़े दिन में बैलगाड़ी पे आ जाएंगे. उस तरह से देखना. people will be like हाँ ठीक है बिना फोटो की शादी करा दो.
मम्मी आपको पसंद है तो देख
आपको
लो.
पसंद है आप देख लो.
Fair enough. But
बाबूजी आप जो कहेंगे मैं मान लूंगा.
मैं आपकी आज्ञा का पालन
पालन
करूंगा.
करें.
ठीक है. So okay, so you have a talking stage, then you start seeing, you then dating, and in a committed label defined relationship, which might convert to marriage, might not, might be open at any point, and then it ends in a breakup if it doesn't go well. If it goes well, then it can go 700 other ways.
Everything is inevitable.
The end
The
is
end.
inevitable, but fair enough. Okay, got it. And at the basics of morals or ethics, one, according to Vinayak, is there's no right or wrong, which
No, there is no right or wrong also, and there is everything right is everything wrong.
हाँ,
Everything
हाँ,
is everything.
everything is everything.
Everything
Got
depends
it.
upon the perspective how you are seeing it.
Fair enough. And what your internal code of conduct is. है ना? मुझे अगर
इस
खून करना
episode-
सही लग रहा है.
इस एपिसोड का
सही.
नाम रख देते हैं Perspectives and Illusions.
Perspectives of illusions. Lovely.
Perspectives of illusions.
Of illusions. I love it.
Perspective की spelling क्या है?
I'll take care of that.
अनपढ़ है क्या? पागल है? कैसी बातें कर रहा भाई?
All right,
Great.
that's a lot of information about what dating is like, and that's great. And
About नए term पे.
last take,
Oh yeah.
dating with the intent to marry is defining that final point.
Final end stage is death.
Yes, that's different. Technically, marriage is not that different for women, but but fair. Okay. Yes, but dating with the intent to marry is when you're only dating to be in a marriage, not like dating for the heck of
आने
dating.
वाले वक्त में इसके लिए भी एक टर्म आ जाएगा
Yeah, I'm
अभी
sure.
आई डोंट नो हो भी
It's
सकता
too
है
long right now. Dating with the intent to marry is a full phrase.
यस
तो ज्ञान तो विनायक जी आपने काफी दिया है. Thank you बाबा शीशी विनायक जी.
दिस
But
इज अ नूब गिविंग a ज्ञान to another noob yes it's like
नू
बकचोदी
होगा
कर
तू.
बकचोदी कर रहे हैं
अरे पागल. ठीक है. Okay.
हेलो, थोड़ी अब्रप्ट एंडिंग हो गई है। वैसे मेरी खुद की अटेंशन स्पैन उतनी अच्छी है नहीं कि मैं आपसे एक्सपेक्ट करूं कि आप आधे घंटे की वीडियो देखो। सो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट।